Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about the Unit 2 continuation. In first part of this unit, we have seen about what is dialysis and what are the types of dialysis. So directly we are going to the Unit 2 part 2. What is hemodialysis? Hemodialysis is the diffusion of dissolved particles from one fluid compartment to the another fluid compartment across a semi-permeable membrane. The client's blood flows through one fluid compartment and another compartment will have the dialysate for removing excess waste products. What are the functions of the hemodialysis? First, the main function of the hemodialysis is to cleanse the blood of accumulated waste products. The blood will have the all waste products including urea, uric acid, everything. We have to cleanse the blood. And second one is removes the byproducts of proteins metabolism such as urea, creatinine and uric acid. Second step is removal. And third one is remove the excess fluids and maintains and restores the buffer system of the body. And finally, to maintain the electrolyte levels of the body. These are the functions of the hemodialysis. This is the dialysis process. Here we we are having pressure monitor to monitor the pressure which we are giving for the dialysate solution and for the blood. Here hair trap and detector for there will be any air bubbles in the pressure monitor line. It will indicate and we are connecting the dialyzer to the our largest artery vein. Artery vein used to used for the dialysis process, and here we are having dialyzer. In this we will have the dialysis solution. Here we are giving anticoagulant heparin injection to maintain the blood flow without blood clotting. For this we are using anticoagulant. This is the pump to pump out the dialysis solution and return back the blood to the human body. This is the process of dialysis. This is the picture of filtering the blood through the dialyzer and returning the blood to the human body. Here we will take the blood from the human body and again we are giving back the blood to the human body which is filtered. This is the hemodialyzer machine during the treatment. We have already seen about the principles of hemodialysis, which is diffusion, osmosis and ultrafiltration. diffusion is the diffusion is used to filter out the particles in the blood. Osmosis is to filter out the fluids in the blood. And finally, ultrafiltration is also a filtering of the fluid, but by means of the pressure created to the filtration process. What are the requirements for the hemodialysis process? Dialysis machine and dialyzer with semi-permeable membrane. And second one is dialysis appropriate dialysis bath. And it takes 4 hours approximately, and weekly thrice it should be done. It can be either in a dialysis center or if feasible we can arrange it in home also. Hemodialysis procedure. Patient accesses prepared, and heparin is administered, and heparin and red blood flows through semi-permeable dialysis in one direction, and dialysis solution surrounds the membrane and flows in the opposite direction. Blood will be flowed in the one direction. The dialysis solution will be opposite to the blood flow. And dialysis solution consists of highly purified water of sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium chloride, and dextrox have been added, and bicarbonate is also added for the pH balance. Proper pH balance should be maintained during the dialysis process, so we are using bicarbonate for that. Through the process of diffusion solute in the form of electrolytes, metabolic waste products, acid base balance components can be removed or added to the blood. When we can add bicarbonate or remove bicarbonate during the process on the basis of requirement. Excess water will be removed from the blood through ultrafiltration in the most cases. The blood is then returned to the body through the patient access. The access areas is atria of the patient. This is the complete dialyzer process system. Here this is patient. Here this is dialyzer. Dialyzer. Here we are having two bags. One is for fresh dialysate and another one is for which is remove the waste products, and that one will be carried in the another dialysate bag. This is the pressure flow meter. This is the blood pump to pump out the blood from the patient body, and removed blood for this is the removal of blood for cleaning. And here again the blood is returning into the patient through the pressure monitor. Here we will have air trap, air deductor. This is the saline solution which is we will used in the dialyzer. This is the complete process of the dialysis. Thank you.